Hi, to clear apps cache on iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to open your phone settings and from here find and select General section. Now go in iPhone storage and in few seconds you will see this list of apps which take most of storage space. So you can pick one, for example this one, and to actually clear cache but not delete app itself, we need to choose to offload it because this will free up storage used by app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So we can tap here to offload app, tap to confirm, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.